You're watching the Daily Blizzard here on Epic TV, and I'm Noel, as it says right here. So as it's been 2 months since the Daily Blizzard kicked off, I think it's time for me to show you some skiers getting shot at in a Star Wars type of way. So if you don't know about Pat Burgener's guitar playing skills, well, you will in a minute. This kid can not only ride, but he can lay down a tune so good. And with that, we give you the crap show. All filmed in Laax. This thing is super legit. Once again, Laax being the paradise of park riding in Europe.
But I know it was all sad. Take a load of fanny, take a load of free, take a load from fanny. So you put a load right on me.
So when you win a gold medal at the Olympics, you are entitled to receive loads of endorsement deals. But here's one that Sage Kotsenburg didn't really see coming. It's a cocktail in a bar named after him, and he's only 20, so he means he can't drink it until he's 21. And it was also in the resort of Deer Valley, which doesn't let people snowboard in. So this is just making money off him? I don't know. So the whole world kind of got up in arms about this, but Deer Valley have just come out with a little response to the whole situation. Deer Valley Resort would not use the name of an athlete without prior agreement or sponsorship. So what has happened is, it wasn't actually Deer Valley Resort itself, it was a pub down the road or a club or whatever you want to call it. Trying to just make a quick little buck off our Sage. But maybe we won't see In-N-Out Burger doing the Kotsenburger? No, terrible. So thank you for watching the Daily Blizzard. Oh, I got a joke for you. What social network does a pirate use? Twitter! How about you use mine? It's perfect.